People dread the F major chord, and I've heard a lot of people say that it's one of the most difficult chords for them to make, but I'm going to show you why F major is not difficult. It's really not any different or any more difficult than any other chord. So F major is F, A, and C for the triad. So what we're going to do is, if you make an E major formation, you move everything down and bar the first fret, that's F major. But also what you can do is make F major open, which means you're playing the same thing, you're just not fretting the last two strings, the fifth string and the sixth string. So you're playing the rest of the chord. And quite frankly, people have a lot of problems with this because they're hitting the first and second strings with one finger. And to be honest with you, this is actually not very much more difficult to do than to make it bar chord style. You're just playing the last four, and a lot of people complain about how they have to hold down the first string and the second string with one finger, but to be fair, you don't actually even have to do that. You could just play it like this, and you mute that last string. You could just play it with three notes, just like that. That's still an F major chord. It still even follows the triad of F, A, and C. Or you can make it like this. If you just want to play an F major chord, and a lot of people would argue, well, that's a variation of A because A is the deepest note. But the way that major chords work is like you can't get another major triad by rearranging the notes of major triad. So if you tried to rearrange the notes of F and say, well, it starts with A or whatever, you wouldn't get an A chord with those same notes. You can't rearrange a major triad and using the same three notes get another major triad.
See, I did say that.
Still, if it's those same notes, it's still a variation of F. So you can really make that chord any way that you want to. If you want to bar this and make it sound richer and fuller, that's great. If you want to make F major open, which is actually easier to do than the bar chord version of it, even though that's the one that most people dread trying to make. Or if you just want to mute that last string with your index finger and play the last, the three note version of it. Or if you want to make just the last three notes of F major, that's still an F major chord.